Right, good morning everyone. This is our final morning. We are leaving Grabis and we had a decent breakfast. We left a little bit later than what we wanted. Some clouds in the sky in the distance, but not here. So sit back, relax. The next time you're going to see us would be approaching Tweerivieren. We are now making our way to Uppington. We are just going to do some shopping and fill up in Uppington, and then we'll make our way to Tweerivieren. Right, we've just gone past Askam, and it's now the final little stretch to Tweerivieren. GPS says we're around about 50 odd kilometers away. So yeah, we'll show you guys there when we get to Tweerivieren at the Galagadi. Beautiful landscape, but I have to say the wind is pumping from Uppington all the way here. Yeah, so was wind from the front, from the side, it was everywhere. Cool. Here we go. Galagadi Transverteer Park, 50 kilometers away. That's right, we're about 2 kilometers or so away from the gate. We got Botswana right next to us, basically. There's a little 4 feet fence. That's the borderline in between South Africa and Botswana. I hope you guys can see through that. So yeah, we've been driving next to Botswana for most probably the last 15 to almost 20 kilometers. And that, so yeah, it's not too bad. Now we've been driving, so we got about 9 o'clock, 8:30 or so, out of Grabis, and it's now 10 to 3. Not too bad, and we did some shopping as well in Uppington or so, and yeah, here we go. Here we are approaching the gate. I do apologize, I'm holding on to the GoPro, so we're going to turn now. Here we go. Tweerivieren gate. We're going to quickly go into the area there and get all the paperwork done. Yeah, welcome to the Kalahari. Now it's raining and it's coming down quite nice, but yeah, we've just settled everything and all that, and thought, now let's go for a little drive. We saw that the thunder's picking up and that, but it is open on the western side, so it's coming from the west, so it's most probably not going to last long, then it will stop. So yeah, nice little downpour. It's always good, we always enjoy it. So yeah, cool. I wanted to put you on the roof, but luckily not, otherwise you would have been wet. But yeah, let's see. We got a little bit of a drive, 2.5 hours We need to be back at about 7:30. Gates closed 7:30, so we need to be back before 7 to give our permit in, and so that they know we are for countable. All right, so we got wildebeest on our right hand side, but I'm going to show you how the water is laying here. This is unbelievable. So there's wildebeest right in the distance there, but it's wet here. It's proper wet, so that's quite cool. Fantastic. Awesome. So okay, so our first 10 kilometers into the Kgalagadi. I'll get the photos from Els, but I'm gonna put my own gemsbok photo in. I've taken my own gemsbok photo. But yeah, wildebeest, red hartebeest was very nice. Yeah, it was good. Yeah, that was quite beautiful. It was one laying down, one standing, quite beautiful. Red hartebeest. We had rainbow above them. That was quite good. And yeah, and then we got 2 female lions and a male, beautiful male. We're not going to go far. Then we're going to turn around and spend some time there. And yeah, we need to be 7 o'clock back. So yeah, so it was not too bad. And then we got a secondary bird that just caught something. That was quite nice. A little bit in the sun, but it was beautiful. It was really, photo opportunity was great. And that. And then yeah, we got some beautiful village weavers. Sociable weavers, sorry, not village. Most probably got the village people on my brain at the moment, looking and that. But yeah, so yeah, it was quite cool. I'm going to show you the road a bit and all that, and the dark clouds, beautiful. He's got the cutest little buttocks, but yeah, he's keeping an eye on the road while I'm looking for animals. Alright, there we got a springbuck. It's going to be quite far, but we got a springbuck standing here on our left hand side. But the Kgalagadi is green, guys. It's beautiful. Really, really, really beautiful and green. Right in the distance over there is a little springbok and that, but the wind's blowing nicely. I mean, it's green. But yeah, no, this is crazy, the rain that we're getting. I mean, we're going into a storm and the sun shining behind us. This is fantastic. This is beautiful to see. Guys, enjoy the rain, yeah, in the Kgalagadi. Well, I don't know if you can see at the top there, but we are taking photos of it. There's a meerkat sitting in the top of that tree there in the bush. He's having a bird's eye view. Oh, cool. And there's some of them moving around the grass here and that. So awesome. Guys, join us for our second day in the Kgalagadi. So this morning we're going to do a big triangle. Stop at one of the picnic spots, have a brunch, and see what we can see. So come enjoy the green Kalahari with us, and yeah, let's see what we can find. On the right hand side, if you see now as we're pulling into the Octoloni picnic site, there's the Octoloni Museum. Now the Octoloni Museum, it's documented 100 years ago that there was people living in this area. Crazy, I have to say. I'm quite interested in the pronunciation of Octoloni, the picnic site, the name. Maybe there's somebody that's got the right pronunciation that can maybe help me right. I'll appreciate it. Thanks a lot, guys. think I took the butter.
That's okay, I don't use butter.
I would just like to say thank you for Els opening and closing so many gates. Guys, if you like this one, give us a thumbs up, a like and subscribe. Give us a comment. I had a comment the other day saying that the music's too loud, can't hear my commentary. I'm trying to work on it. Let me know if it has improved. If not, I'll then have to work on something else. But yeah, give us a like and subscribe. It just helps us to show you guys more of these places. Thanks, guys. Have a great one.
Oh, maybe overlanding. Come enjoy an African adventure. With us, let your soul just rest. Enjoy the African bush.